I'm so hungry, I could eat a baby chimp.
But I'm a baby chimp.
Yep, I could gobble you up right now.
I think you're joking, but just in case you're not.
Should be clear skies from here to New Kong City, but can we get some snacks in this cockpit? I'm so hungry I could eat whoever's sitting in seat 32C.
What do you mean you didn't catch anything?
As in I went hunting and I didn't catch anything.
We have cubs to feed. It's not like dinner's just gonna fall from the sky.
Ah, jeez. Honey, we almost had it.
I want a divorce.
I guess get happy for dinner.
Dude, what? No, we're not going to do that.
Phew! What a relief!
But we will experiment with your body.
Simulation complete. Returning Binky Teiko to planet of origin.
Binky, you know I was joking, right?
I'm going to bed.